Hello students, subject mathematics standard 7th, third chapter HCF and LCM part 5th. Now this is the 5th part of your chapter. So today we will see practice set 14.
Now see student, practice set 14, question number 1, find the HCF and LCM, first one 14 and 28. Now see here in this question you have to find out the HCF and LCM both. So see how you will going to find out. So first we will do the factorization. First we will find out the factor of 14 and 28. Now 14 and 28 is divisible by 2, that is 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Clear? Now 7 and 14 is our remainder. So 7 and 14 is divisible by, that is 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Clear? Now we will find out the HCF. For finding the HCF, what we need? We need our common factor. So our common factor is 2 into 7. Clear? So 2 sevens are, you will get 14. So our HCF is 14. Now we have to find out the LCM. So what will be your LCM? For LCM we need our common factor as well as the uncommon factor. So what you will get? 2 sevens are 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are, you will get, that is 28. Clear? So your LCM is 28. So here we will write down, therefore HCF is 14 and LCM is 28. Clear everyone? So similarly you will do the second one. Clear? Second one also you will do the same way. Now 32 and 16. Now 32 and 16 is divisible by which number? You have to find out that. Now 32 and 16 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. Clear? 2 8s are 16. Now 16 and 8 is divisible by 2. That is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 and 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 4 and 2 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Clear everyone? Now find out the HCF. HCF you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Means you have to take common factor. Clear? So what you will get your HCF? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is your HCF. Now we have to find out the LCM. For finding the LCM we need our common factor as well as we need our uncommon factor, that is 2 into 1. So what you will get? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are, what you will get? 32, 32 ones are, you will get 32. Clear? So your HCF is 16 and LCM is 32. So here you will write down HCF is 16 and LCM is 32. Clear? So like this you have to do question number 1. Now see students, question number 2, find the LCM. Now first one 36 and 42. Now here you have to find out the LCM of 36 and 42. So how you will going to find out? In the same way you have to do the factorization first. So for 36 and 42 is divisible by here 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, it will become 16, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Clear? Now 18 and 21 is your remainder. So 18 and 21 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So how you will going to find out the LCM? For finding the LCM we need our common factor as well as our uncommon factor. So 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So what you will get as your LCM? You will get, that is 252. Clear? Now see the second one. You have to find out the LCM of 15, 25 and 30. So again what you will do? You will do the factorization over here. So 15, 25 and 30 is divisible by which number? Is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 25 is not divisible by 3. So you will write down as it is. Clear? Now 3 ones are will be 3, 3 zeros are 0. It means 3 10s are 30. Now 5, 25 and 10 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Clear? Now you have to find out the LCM. So for finding the LCM, we need our common factor as well as uncommon factor. So 3 into 5 into 1 into 5 into 2. So what you will get? You will get your LCM as 150. Clear everyone? So like this you have to do question number 2. You have to find out the LCM. Now see student, question number 3. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. Now you have to find out the smallest number. You have to find out in such a way that you have to find out that smallest number in such a way that after dividing that number with 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20, you should get the remainder of 5 every time. Clear? So see how you will going to find out that number. You have to find out that smallest number in such a way that after dividing that number with this all number, you should get your remainder 5. So see how you will do. So first we will do the factorization of the 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. Clear? We have to do the factorization. We have to find out the factor of all this number. So see how you will going to find out. Now tell me 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 is divisible by which number? Means here you have to find out the LCM. Clear? Here we have to find out the LCM. You will find out the LCM of these numbers. So see, 8 is divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 2 and 20 is divisible by 2. Clear? 9 and 15 is not divisible by 2. So 9 you will write down as it is, 15 you will write down as it is. We will divide 8, 10 and 20 with 2. That is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20. Clear everyone? Now our remainder is 4, 9, 5, 15 and 10. Now tell me 4, 9, 5, 15 and 10 is divisible by which number? Now again 9 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will write down this number as it is. 4 and 10 is divisible by 2. So we will divide it. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Clear everyone? Now 2, 9, 5, 15 and 5 is divisible by which number? As you can see that 15 is divisible by 3. So 2, 5 and 5 we will write down as it is. We will divide 9 and 15 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Clear everyone? Now see, 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. 2 and 3 is not divisible. So we will write down as it is. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. Clear? So after finding the factors, now what will be the LCM over here? After finding the factors, we have to find out the LCM. For LCM, we need our common factor as well as the uncommon factor. Common factor as well as the uncommon factor. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. So what you will get your LCM over here? You will get your LCM as 360. Clear? 360 is your LCM. Now we have to find out the number, the smallest number. The number which divided by this all number should get the remainder of 5. So what you will do? We have to find out the number. Clear everyone? That number we don't know. The number we don't know. Clear? So the number is equal to LCM plus we want our remainder 5. Understood? So our LCM we had find out that is 360 and our remainder, the remainder should get that is 5 after dividing that number. So remainder you will get 5. So 360 plus 5 is 365. So the number 365 is divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. You will get your remainder 5. Clear student? So if you want to verify it, divide 365 with all this number, you will get your remainder as 5. Understood student? How you will do this? Now see student, question number 4. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, What is the other? Now see, this type of a question we have done in the previous practice set. The LCM and HCF. The LCM is 432, HCF is 72. Clear everyone? First they have mentioned the LCM, so first number will be your LCM. Second they have given HCF, so second number will be your HCF. 72 is your HCF. Now if one of the number is 216, what is the other? Means what we had verified? We had verified the product of the given number with the product of the HCF and LCM. So here the HCF and LCM is given, the product of the two number. The product of the two number, out of that two number, one number is given, that is 216. You have to find out the other one. So see how you will do this one. So see the product of the two number. Clear? The product of given number. Which given number? This is given 432 and 72 is your HCF. So HCF multiplied by LCM. Clear? So here your HCF and LCM is given. So your LCM is 432. Your HCF is 72. Clear? The product of the given number. Which given number? The two given number. So out of that one is given, that is 216. Other number we have to find out. So how you will going to find out that? See. First we will multiply our right hand side. 72 multiplied by 432. So you will get 31,104. And 216 and other number will come as it is. Clear? Now how you will do the calculation? We have seen in the previous practice set how to do the calculation. So this 216 you will take on the right hand side. So multiplication will become division. So 31,104 divided by 260. Here the other number we have to find out. So what you will get as your other number? What you will get the other number? If you will divide 31,104 with 216, you will get 144. So your other number is 144. So if you will multiply 144 with 216, you will get 31,104.